I am Rhonda Gage with Rhonda Gage's Creation, and I am here to do a collaboration video with, sorry, had to swallow, Spring Forward. Host is Crafty Hints. Co-host is Rustic and Lace DIY. And another co-host is 6 Kids and a Glue Gun. So their links will be down below. And please check out the playlist and watch all the different creators. Spring is in the air. Please watch. If you like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you. Tying a knot in the yarn, and then I'm tucking it under as I sew it along. Brad, enough. Lay down. Lay down. I'm only using a small amount of yarn on the needle right now because it is, it ties up really easy. Had to adjust so it was clear. Focused. See, it just tied up. I'm in my front room, so my video is going to be a little bit different and a little harder to see. Usually I do it back in the office. And I just pulled the needle out. So. Finished sewing this. This was actually yarn from another project. The whole section was. And so I put it on the styrofoam wreath. And I am now sewing the ends together. Trying to make it to where you guys can see. This is gonna be a spring crocheted wreath. And I'm gonna put some flowers on it. I've never done a wreath before, so we will see. This is just a single crochet on this with 3 different colors. But it just sat here on the couch and I never picked it back up. So I am doing I put it on here, which fits perfectly on here. I'm almost through doing this. So I'm trying to show you guys. So I have just this much left to sew because it started right here. So just this much left. Lay down. Okay, just pulled it off again. Alright, I'm going to finish this because it's right up top. Alright, so here I am making a carnation. I just did the slip knot and I'm going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now I'm going to slip stitch them together. Chain 3. And now I'm going to do 15 doubles. Excuse my voice today. Six, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now I'm going to slip stitch to the chain 3 space, and I'm going to chain 3. I'm going to get some more yarn out here. It's rolling from the outer edge, so it keeps trying to tie up, so I have it going around my pole down here at the end of my table. So chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and now I'm going to do 2 doubles in each. So that's 2 in that same stitch. So each stitch around, I'm going to do 2 doubles. So it is expanding this circle. So I'm going to keep going around this row and I'll be right back. All right, I am approaching the end. So I'm going to do the 2 doubles here. I'm going to slip stitch. This is cotton yarn that I got from my sister, and I do not remember the name brand of it. So I'm going to chain 3, put a double in the first one where that one's at, and now I'm going to do 2 doubles around again. And so let me do this other one real quick. So we have 1, 2, 3. So we're going to do it through rows 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I'll be back. So here you have 1, 2, 3. See how it's ruffling up? You want that for the carnation. All right, so here I am on the last row of the carnation. So I'm going to chain 1 and then single crochet. Now I'm going to chain 3 and single crochet in that very next one. Chain 3 and single. Chain 3 and single. And then here in a little bit I will be showing you how to sew the end on to kind of close it up. So continue this all the way around, and I'll meet back with you in just a moment. So here, this is the edge it's making with this single crochet and 3 chains. So here I have some carnations that I've started. I have not finished them, but this is a start, and this is for a spring project that I'm working on. And this way you have like purple and white carnations. Now I'm doing a pink carnation. Then I also have a yellow rose. So I'm going to do some more roses. And I'm thinking a couple other flowers. So I just wanted to show those off real quick. Thanks.